Introducing the Tohnichi DOT200F Torque Tester, a reliable and accurate tool designed to measure torque values with precision. Manufactured by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and durability for demanding applications. With a wide torque range of 20 to 200 lb-ft, the 200F is suitable for various fastening tasks. It features an easy-to-read analog dial with a large face, providing clear and precise torque readings. The tester is also equipped with a mechanical loading device, enabling smooth and accurate torque application. Designed to be set horizontally, the 200F eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the calibration process. The torque wrenches can be calibrated effortlessly by rotating the handle, ensuring accurate measurements. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise and invest in the 200F for accurate and consistent torque testing.